Welcome to this tutorial on mastering the command line with Cursor. I'm Chris, and today I will show you how AI can transform the way you learn terminal commands. Cursor isn't just another text editor. It's a powerful AI assistant that can help demystify the command line interface that many find intimidating. But here's the key. We're not using AI as a shortcut to avoid learning. Instead, we're leveraging it as a learning companion. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can ask Cursor to teach you various command line topics and then execute the different commands, suggest next steps based on your goals, and provide context that traditional learning resources often miss. The goal isn't to blindly copy and paste commands, but to understand what each command does and why it works. By the end of this tutorial, you will see how AI can accelerate your learning curve while still ensuring you build genuine skills and understanding. Let's dive in and see how Cursor can help you become confident and proficient with the command line. So you see I have Cursor opened up. On the right side is the agent and chat. That is where we're going to put in our prompts and get guidance from the Cursor agent. On the bottom left side here, this is a terminal window. This is where we will execute the various terminal commands. And then at the top here is just a blank text file. With Cursor, we can choose a specific AI tool that it's going to use. So here it has an auto mode. It's going to pick the one that it thinks is best for availability and performance. And you can see some of the different ones we can pick. We'll just leave it in auto for now. So first, we'll do a prompt. I'm going to use a dictation tool to get the prompt started. I am a brand new undergraduate student and I want to learn more about the command line. Can you help me do this? So we got the question there and we'll hit send and it's generating the content. So you can see the first thing it wants to know is what kind of shell we're using. I can either type this into the terminal or click the run command. So we'll go ahead and click the run command and you can see it lets it know that it's just running the Z shell and gives some initial basic navigation commands. And as you're going along, you can ask it questions on the content that it's generating. For example, can you explain what the echo shell command was? So there it explains the echo command and what it's used for. And you can run a command example here and it gives you another one there. Run hello world. And then it gives some even more details on the different lines and things like that. So let's find out what it wants us to do next. What might be the next thing I can do to learn about the command line? So you can see here it gave us a pwd followed by echo and then the ls command. So pwd is going to tell us where we're at. Instead of having the AI run the command, it's good to do some of the typing yourself. So we'll go ahead and type in a pwd. And that shows me the directory that we are currently in. You can see the directory path there. Next, we'll run the ls command, and that will show us any files in that directory. This directory currently doesn't have any files. And once again, if you wanted to explain in more detail, you can just ask it, please explain what that command does. So you can see it breaks down what the different commands do. And you can even ask it, why is it important that I understand these commands? So it gives you a nice explanation of these different commands. What should I do next? So the next step, it's going to have you make a directory and looks like put some text into a specific file. We'll go ahead and run that command. And then you can see it explains what it just did. And that wraps up our tutorial on using Cursor to learn the command line. As we've seen, Cursor isn't just about getting quick answers. It's about building genuine understanding. Throughout this video, we asked Cursor to explain fundamental command line concepts and then executed them ourselves. We covered navigation commands like pwd, ls, and cd. We learned about the echo command and even created our own practice directory with mkdir where we made our first text file. Remember, the real power of AI assistants like Cursor isn't copying and pasting commands blindly. It's in the interactive learning experience where you can ask questions, get explanations for what each command does, and understand why these skills matter for your professional development. By using AI as your learning companion, rather than a shortcut, you're building a strong foundation that will serve you well throughout your tech journey. The command line might seem intimidating at first, but with tools like Cursor to guide your learning, you'll be navigating your system like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember, use AI not to replace learning, but to enhance it. Happy coding.